instructor bigla, no?
Okay, are you ready, everyone?
Yeah!
Okay, let's play out. Let's go, come on.
Sige pa.
Lulubog tayo!
Yeah, nakapala dyan.
Okay, you enjoy?
Yeah.
Kung na-try ko, na-try ng ibang mga Kempinatics, try nyo na rin.
Thank you,
Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another Boracay travel vlog. And guys, we are now on our way sa ating activity, first activity na nandito tayo sa Boracay with my family. So we are going to try the Red Wave Acoustic Sunset Cruise. And now we are going to sa meet-up point sa Astoria. From Red Coco in the Boracay, going to Astoria. Ito lang po yan. Let's go baby. Thank you. Okay, so let's go. Wala nang BS, late na tayo. Yes po. Ay, there. Ayun.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay na? Oh.
Yeah, okay. Hello.
Si Divina po, yung
Hi.
marketing staff po.
Oh yeah, nice meeting you po.
Sorry, what? Ano po kayo?
Wala pa. Sige. Let's go na.
Ano lang po, videoin ko na lang po yung kamay niyo, sir.
Okay, sige.
Or ano lang.
O, diba? Late pa nga. Kumain pa kasi to.
Stress na sila.
Baka sabi ko, ring yung phone ko, wait lang.
Sabi niya, can you call?
Yeah.
Sabi sa akin.
Kasi mag-ano lang. Ayan. Okay.
Yun ko lang po.
Chan, right?
Yes po.
Oo, diba? Naalala kita.
Next na may tiyagan po.
Yes.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dahil, ma'am. Ano lang iba? Kasama ka na sila. Ngayon sir.
Oo.
Ano bagong pato naman yung mga papanood natin ito?
Sayawan mo kami ha.
Noong una, Island Hopping Station.
Ay lang natin.
Na iba naman ngayon, sunset po tayo.
Ba't pinapanood kita sa Canada?
Sorry naman. Late na ako. Mamaya, nandito pa ba kayo mamaya?
Pupunta kami sa
Ay, Delicious?
Oo.
Mamaya kakita-kits tayo. 6 p.m. onwards.
Okay.
Late na ako eh. Sorry.
Sige.
Wala sir.
Ay, obstacle course ha. Ayan. Anong name mo ulit? Sorry.
Divina po.
Divina. Ayan. So guys, Red Wave Acoustic Sunset Cruise for today's vlog. So yung mga staff pang island hopping, sila din.
Opo. Or depende lang po kayo sa ship na lang po.
Okay. Asa sila Tony?
Side po, dito tayo sir. Iba sir, para tayo.
How are you? Hagar tuloy nag-start ng vlog ko. Okay guys, so boat going to mismong sa Red Wave na boat. So for the last time nandito tayo, nag-try tayo ng island hopping, Red Wave din, and this is one of the new nagpo-provide ng dito, water activity, ang Red Wave. Tapos hindi pa rin nagre-record no? So wala din. First time ko kailan collaboration na late. Tawag na tawag. Sorry naman. Gusto ko yung geniality. Ito na. Ay sila Donnie. Hello. Ayun pala sila oh. Okay, welcome back to Red Wave.
Welcome back sir.
Yes. Dapat may sayawan tayo ah.
Hi sir.
Hello. Welcome. Yeah, I know, right? Dito. So guys, ito dito tayo sa Baka. So bali ang meet up nito is like 3:30 PM sa Muni-Muni. Nagkataon na ang traffic kasi may ano yung tawag doon? Parada nung may patay. So, na-late kami ng mga 3 minutes lang. So, yun. And then, we're gonna explore this place. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga ino-offer dito sa Red Wave Sunset Acoustic Cruise. Okay? So, tara. Dito kayo. Baka kailangan ako yan.
Sunset naman tayo sir ngayon.
Sunset. May sayawan ba?
Pwede.
Ano to?
Melon juice.
Melon juice. Thank you so much. Guys, may parang welcome drinks, melon juice.
Welcome to the island, the whole world talks about the fun and adventure.
Basta na.
Okay, basta all right, sir?
Nagano kayo kanina? May Highland Happy kayo kanina?
Yes po.
Kayo rin ha?
Bali, 2 araw lang pala. Kasi,
Ako nga. Bawi.
Okay, I think everyone's complete. We want to take your seat.
Okay, start na guys.
We are here at the bar. We have water, juice, popcorn. This is for free and unlimited. If you want to refill your popcorn, juice, or water, please come here at the bar, and we have a staff here to provide your needs. Understand?
Yes!
Okay, beside that, we have a cold drinks here like Coke, Sprite, Royal, beer, and especially wine. This is for sale. Everyone, this afternoon is we have one destination only. We going to Balinghay Beach with activities like crystal kayak, paddle boarding, free diving, sliding, and onboard jumping. Understand? Then after Balinghay Beach, one destination, it's time to sunset first time with acoustic, live acoustic singer. But before we end this briefing, let me check your energy first. Are you ready? Okay, I count 1, 2, 3. Everybody make some noise. Are you ready?
Yes!
1, 2, and 3.
Yes! Basta! Basta! Celebrity sa Boracay. Yun. Passcode OMP natin. Pero kung pinapabigyan ng ano. Oh, lakas ng alon. Ay, ito.
Opo, dito po yung kasi yung logo.
Sige. At pala nagpula ako. So guys, welcome to Red Wave Acoustic Sunset Cruise. Dito lang sa Boracay.
1, 2.
Okay, thank you. Sige. Kulot-mulok.
Sir, okay na po kayo?
Oh, hindi pa mabubuksan yung taas.
Later po, pag nag-stay na po yung back.
Sige.
Sir, picturean kita, sir. Dito ka naman po muna. Okay, ito po yung background na lang natin.
Sige.
Okay.
Thank you.
Second time, sir, no?
Oh.
With the family?
Bro,
With the family.
hi, I'm Pauline.
Oh,
I
Pauline.
found out about Redway through you on YouTube.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
thank you so much for the trust. Nice meeting you. Enjoy. So yun guys, we are now here sa Sunset Cruise ng Red Wave. And kung naalala nyo yung nag-Red Wave din tayo for island hopping. So same boat siya. And pagpunta nyo dito guys, marami ng parang spot dito sa mismong bangka nila na pwede kayo mag-picture taking. Like this. Ang haggard. Ayun sila. Ayan. So meron din sa kabila. So ito, may copy ako guys. Para at least alam nyo yung expect natin dito. Since ibang-iba to sa island hopping. So ngayon, this will be parang mga from 3:30 PM to 6 PM. So yung first 1 hour ninyo is mag-snorkeling kayo. That includes yung kayaking, yung mga water activities. Kasama na guys, kayaking, snorkeling, meron ding roof deck diving, merong floaters for photo walks, may water slides, may snorkeling, sabi ko na, may paddle boarding. Ayun. Okay? So 1 hour to guys, and then for the other 1 hour, that will be the sunset acoustic na. Makikinig tayo ng music, live acoustic, pwede makijamming, and balitaan ko kayo kung ano pa yung mga pwede nyo expect dito, ha? Subok na kaya ko dito.
And to those who want to free diving, we have a short and long pitch. To those who not swimmer and wear your life jacket on,
So pwede kayo mag-stay dito. Alam niyo naman yan. Photo walks. So kung gusto niyo mag-OOTD, just go for the OOTD.
I request everybody stand up because the Ridgeway Boracay we have Zumba or exercise.
Okay. Sige, let's go.
Body, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes! Bibi, come here.
Okay,
first.
Magzumba tayo bago tayo mag-activities like snorkeling po. Okay, let's go po. Sir, are you ready?
Yes! Dance.
So, okay, pagpakan naman natin ang ating mga instructor.
Ikaw ba instructor?
Please give him a round of applause.
Sa paliguan pag binigla nila akong ganun. Instructor bigla, no?
Okay, are you ready everyone?
Yeah!
Okay, next. Join us. We have a speech. Ayaw yung iba. Sige, tayo na lang. Okay, ready. DJ, music. Okay, tayo na lang. Follow kayo, ha?
Wala na, pagod na ako.
Be safe.
Sorry. Let's dance again. Dance. Acoustic to, di ba? Kaya pa? Exercise, di ba kaya? So guys, this whole activity is good for family, mga senior, tsaka kids. We need to be tight. There.
Oh my God, you're dying.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Parang di sa'yo yan. Parang di ka kaya sa iba.
Let's go, guys. Yan. Alright guys, so we are back here sa rooftop ng Red Wave boat or cruise, and currently nasa 4 PM na ata. So guys, basta from 3:30 yung meet up point nyo, mag-start yung sail ng 4 PM and mag-i-end ng 6 PM. So nandito tayo sa unang spot, yung for the first 1 hour, may mga water activities na tayo. Merong kayaking, may paddle boarding, mamaya meron ding slide, meron ding cruise jumping or rooftop jumping, and then may snorkeling. And safe naman dito guys kasi you can wear your own life jacket. Actually may pinaprovide sila. And ayun, meron tayong mga viewers guys from other country na nakasabayan natin. Sa akin nila nakita, kaya sila nag-Red Wave. Itulak na yan! Tulak na yan! Let's go! Slide! Yeah! Same boat ba to? Ay, wala pang slide, no? Sige, okay lang. Marunong naman ako, oh. Ito pa. Nakuha mo? Hindi! Okay, sige. Ulitin ko. Yeah. So, alam niyo naman, napakahilig natin sa mga cliff jumping yan. Aray ko. Ay.
Ano mga isel?
Pwede naman, kahit may lulutang naman agad eh. Meron ding free diving guys.
Answer slide po kayo or tatalon ulit?
Wait lang, pagod eh. Nakapagod pala tumalon.
Relax muna.
First. Baby, come here. I'm gonna jump. Look at me, look at me. Baby, look at me.
Tayo.
Hey.
Go, Sir
Hey.
Mark.
So, walang sawa, no? Walang sawa. Masaya, guys. Alam niyo na yan. Naka nga? Wala ko, dito naman eh. Ating celebrity. Gusto niya, hindi naman siya marunong niya. So guys, this is good for, alam niyo na, pang bata, pang matanda kasi medyo chill version siya ng Red Wave na island hopping. Let's dance. Hi Don, basta? Guys, oh, si Don. Isa sa mga certified empinatics. Nandito rin sila ngayon. Oh, yes. Tapos meron pang dalawa. Late na ako. May dalawa ako nakasalubong. Sabi ko, sige mamaya na lang sa Idolicious. Nagmamadali ako. Sorry naman. Taga Canada ata. Let's have a 360 view. Look, the camera. Oh, there's a helicopter. Helicopter. Oh, you want slide? I'll go and slide. Slide naman tayo. parang walang ano, no?
Ayun po yan. Ingat lang po. Okay. You know the drill.
Yes. Sige lang, di ba?
Okay, sir, hi muna kayo dito.
Hello.
Let's go.
Hi. Punta na kayo dito sa Red Wave Acoustic Sunset Cruise.
Any shout out? Any shout out?
Shout out sa mga may kabit. Joke lang.
Okay, let's go. In 3, 2, 1.
So yun, so nagkalat na lahat guys. May slide, may free diving, ayun, may kayaking, may paddleboarding, merong rooftop jumping, tsaka may life vest naman guys. Tapos kung may mga bata na hindi marunong, may mga hagdanan naman, pwede silang umawak doon. Bantayan nyo lang. O ayan, meron ulit to. Yan, panoorin natin. Woo! Diba? So hindi lang yung island hopping with ganitong water activities. Kung gusto nyo yung mga mas chill, go for the acoustic one. Tapos mamaya syempre, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung sasabi naming acoustic or sinasabi kong acoustic. Woo! Ayan, uy, ang ganda ng panahon. Guys, really, the sun is up. So let's enjoy every seconds. Wala tatalon. At least ang maganda dito guys, nagano na kayo, nag-water activity para after dito, chill na lang. Chill. Aray ka. Napagod no? Ganda ng araw. Okay. Bumabawi.
Okay, sir. Dito po. Tandaan po.
Tingin nyo kaya ko.
Kaya po. Tandaan na po, sir. Tandaan.
Saan ako harap? Sa kanya?
Opo.
Okay, yan.
Okay, kaya yan.
Oo.
Opo. Opo.
Okay, mo konti.
Yan.
Okay, okay na sir. Okay na.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want text? Okay, si Chano. Si Chan, isa sa mga staff dito. Ikaw ang MC ngayon? Against the light eh.
Yes po. Sir Mark.
Iikot mo against the light.
Okay, ako na.
Ayan, ayan, game. Ayan guys, invite mo sila.
Ano pa hinahantay nyo? Mag-book na kayo sa Red Wave. Sir Paragas na yan. Follow nyo yung page ni Sir.
Yeah.
Saka yung channel niya.
Yes. Kung makikita nyo lang to guys sa Facebook page, Red Wave Boracay. Meron sila currently nasa 2,000 followers ata. Marami kasi nag-iisip na baka hindi legit kasi naghihingi sila ng down payment. Pero ilalagay ko na lang yung link ng Facebook nila tsaka yung logo para at least alam niyo. Siya yung Zumba instructor nyo. Siya yung MC. Ikaw rin ba yung kakanta?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi ba? Akala ko ikaw lahat eh.
Meron tayong dyan, singer.
Ay, singer talaga. Acoustic singer guys. So, pinagkaiba nito sa umaga, yung sa island hopping. Yung island hopping, syempre may island hopping. May mga water activities din dito. Plus, merong buffet na ba kayo?
Wala tayong buffet sir, so bali
Ano pa rin? Plated?
fruits lang tayo.
Hindi, sa
Steak.
Island Happy.
Island Open, yes.
Buffet na?
Buffet na po.
Oo, buffet na guys. Dati nagano lang tayo, plated. Ngayon buffet na. Which is for sure mas magugustuhan ninyo. And then ang pinagkaibahan nito sa acoustic sunset, of course, sunset cruise. May mga pika-pika, unlimited juice, iced tea, yan, unlimited popcorn, at saka yung mga water activities, free na. Yes!
Go sir! Ito tayo sir, ay magagamitin natin.
Ay, wala yung phone ko.
Ano lang yung sa company namin.
Sige.
Paano mo naman mapoposa?
Kaya ka. Sige
Kunin
na.
na lang natin mamaya.
Sige, sige.
Okay, mamaya kukuha din ako dyan.
Oops, yeah. So dito sa Crystal Kayak guys, pwede kayo mag OOTD, tapos picture taking. Yung mga staff dito ng Red Wave, marunong na mga parang professional photographer. Gawin nila yung mga settings ng mga phone niyo. Wala tayong phone ngayon.
Ready tayo sir?
Sige.
So tagal natin yung natin, life jacket. Bahala dyan. Okay muna yung pang-vlog natin, so pagtabi mo. Nagbibideo ba siya?
Ano yan? Walang screen. Nasa likod lang.
Yo.
O may mga nagpapare-sailing. Yan! O ha?
Okay ba? Okay ba?
Okay, sige.
Goods pa sir. Yun.
Perfect.
Sir, atras ka lang konti sir. Ayun!
May sandalan ba?
May sandalan yan sa likod. Sige pa.
Lulubog tayo!
Yan, pala dyan.
Mas
Sige, cross
yan,
legs mo lang yung paa mo. Cross legs mo lang.
Ay,
Cross
cross
legs, ganyan. Ayun! Yan, kuha.
Labas Chad?
So, bali kukuha tayo ng... Yun, puro tayo. Okay, tingnan dito tayo. Tingnan dito sir. 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, isa pa. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, yung kamay mo sir, ganyan mo lang. Yan, dito lagay mo dito sa kaya. Yan, tapos ganyan mo lang, medyo open siya. Yun. Tapos, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, sir, tingin ka dito, sir. 1, 2, 1, 2. Processing, sir. Isang, ano na lang. Dito. Yan. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, sir, ganito gagawin natin. Straight mo yung paa mo, sir. Sige, halika dito konti. Forward ka dito. Okay. Yun, tapos higa ka sa baka.
Like that?
Ganyan po.
Paano? Ganyan lang.
Tapos, medyo bend mo lang yan. Yung paa mo. Higa mo siya. Yan, ganyan. Ito, dikit mo dito. Yan. Tapos ito, pagkita mo dito. Ayun. Medyo forward mo lang ito konti. Ayan. Goods. So, up.
Marunong.
So, tatayo ako. Kuha lang ako ng drone.
Baka mo lumabog tayo.
Hindi, okay na yun. Isang ano lang naman, isang shot. Tingnan dito.
Nakatingin ako sa'yo.
Tingnan dito. 1, 2, 3. Tingnan dito. Ganyan mo lang yung kamay mo. 1, 2, 3. Yung gagawin naman natin is talikod ka, sir.
Ay, wag na ganun.
Wag na ganon. Sige.
Lumabog tayo talaga dito.
Hindi, kaya mo yan. Talikod ka lang. Sige, ano ka na lang. Upo na lang yung gaito. Alam mo yung gaito mo. Yan. Gaito.
Dito? Sa dito?
Hindi, mag-upo na. Basta
ganito.
ganyan pa yung paa.
Di makita no?
Okay. Tapos lagay mo yung ano mo dito. Yan. Sige, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, tingin ka dito, sir. Yun, isa pa. Smell na lang. 1, 2, 1, 3.
Video tayo. Bibidyo ko lang. Para may post nila. Naka-portrait. Ano?
Ito ba? Yung sa'yo?
Dito sa kanila.
Sige, naka-portrait.
Red Wave Sunset Cruise.
Yes, Sunset Cruise po.
Hindi,
Red Wave.
maunang acoustic sunset cruise, Red Wave by Red Wave or Red Wave sunset acoustic sunset cruise.
Same na lang siguro yun, sir.
Sige. Video tayo tapos invite ko sila diyan sa camera ni Ate.
Dito ba?
Hello. Wow. See? You can do it. Are you enjoying? Yeah, so guys, hindi lang 'to pang matanda, pambata may ngipin o wala. Ayan sila guys. Nag-enjoy yan.
Let's go.
Sige, para next naman. Shane! See? Good job! Ay, sorry.
Tumula ito, butang ka sa ano. Pati kay sir. Ano kaya, sir?
So, diba? Pahawa ka. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. Say hi. Are you done? You wanna go up na? Pwede lang siya dito sa hagdanan. Samahan mo lang.
Sir, nalala mo siya? Yung Taiwan?
Sa? Ay! Oo nga pala! Wala, lumayo na.
Yung tabi mo doon sa...
Oh! Come here, hold my hand. There you go, good job. Yeah. Good job! Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good job! Told you! Upstairs, let's go. Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
You hold. Yeah, you hold. See?
Hello. I like this.
Ay sila, yung... You wanna jump? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Alright, let's do it. Ganda guys ang panahon ngayon, nakakatawa. So, kamusta naman? Invite mo sila. Bakit nakaganyan ka? Takot na takot na.
Ayaw mo naman eh.
Wala na. Alright, challenger number 1. Oh, I thought you. There you go. Yeah. Alright.
I'm gonna jump. Go.
You can do it. Yeah.
My last
Shout out before you
last day in my 30s. Last day in my 30s.
Oh my.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit.
It's gonna be a big new day.
1, 2, 3. Holy shit.
Yo! Good job. Nice one.
Yes.
Alright, challenger number 2. You wanna jump? No, you cannot. Look, let's look. Nice one.
Where are you originally from?
Quezon City, Manila. Yeah. You guys from?
California.
Oh,
She's
okay.
from Manila.
Oh, really?
Born there, then she went over to California when she was a teenager.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How long are you gonna stay here?
Just tonight and tomorrow night, so 2 more
Was it
nights.
so bad? I cursed.
Right, you did, yeah.
I was gonna say I love Boracay, but I was so nervous. So I just said, holy shit. Thanks for your video.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy. I think you're gonna be like going tomorrow. This will be your like
Sa Friday kami alis,
ah.
pabalik ng Manila.
Oh.
Then balik kami ng States sa Monday.
Oh, Monday na.
Isang linggo lang kami dito.
Pero na-enjoy naman.
Sobra.
Sobra.
Actually,
Regardless of the weather, no?
yung weather, no, but every day I kept checking. It kept changing every day. Every day. But your video is so helpful.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm looking forward to the other videos.
Oh, yeah. Babalik-balik naman eh. Kaya.
May pagkain ba sa baba?
May pika-pika.
Taka lang, parang nalalamangan ako ng mga nasa baba.
Alright, let's go.
Go.
Let's go. Okay, both of us ha. Oh. Ay, gano'n.
Are you gonna jump?
Whenever you're ready. Yes, so slide na po kayo.
Next one, meron na ba tayo? Come here, baby. Look at me, ah. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, so I think yun na yun. Bali, 1 hour lang yung tatagal nyo dito, ha? One more?
I'm gonna say I love Boracay.
Yeah. Alright. So,
Yes.
go!
Yes. Yes.
We love Boracay! Oh, beautiful sunset. Nice one! What? You wanna go down? Here, only? Let's go. You can try, come on. Here. One more. Okay, one more. One more. Okay, there. Sit down. See? Yeah.
Let me go.
Oh, see? Like that.
Okay.
Oh, see?
You will float, darling. Even without ano.
Yeah, you will float, don't worry.
Don't hug Papa.
It's okay, it's okay.
You will float.
Oh, it's okay na yan. Oh, see? Oh, you can do it. Yay! Yay! Oh, see? I'm holding you, don't worry. So you can float na.
No.
I'm holding you. Darling. See? Oh, are you done? Are you done? Okay, you enjoy?
Yeah. But I'm scared.
Okay, I'm holding you. Oh.
You're floating, no?
We're floating, oh. Look at me, we're floating. I'm not holding. Oh. We're floating. See? That's how you do it.
Okay. You just
Are you
hold
good?
this one. You just hold this one.
See?
Okay.
Are you good, Treasure? Just paddle your feet. Okay, good. Are you good? All good? Okay. There. No, not good dito na. So yun guys, after nyo mapagod, meron nang masisiba. may nagtichicha na guys. Good job. You want water? You want, may water siya dyan, ha? Did you enjoy? Told you! So sige guys, after ito, pahinga muna tayo. And then, sabihin ko sa inyo kung yung next. Enjoy? Yes! How about you? You should try! Kaya natin na pika-pika guys. Ay, thank you po. Kain tayo.
Lunch. Lunch. Yeah. Good. I already ate one.
Ayun pala yung acoustic. Kala ko may nakanta.
Meron yun. Maybe look na no? Gumakanta.
Close on
Check yan, you see later. So guys, this is the acoustic version na. I mean, acoustic part ng cruise na to. May tutugtog, may kakanta.
I wanna sing Golden.
I don't think he can play that song. Golden.
We're going up on our nose.
Wala pa? Doon, kain na. Na-enjoy mo ba? Enjoy yung... Sabi ko sa kanya, asan si Don? Ewan ko Don. Asan siya? Asan siya? Meron nga, meron talaga. So if ever guys gusto nyo mag-smoke, meron dito sa likod ng park. So ito, from 5 to 6. Ano oras na ba? 4:55. So from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Acoustic na to, more pika-pika na tayo. And then, pwedeng makijamming mamaya. So ganun lang naman yung activities. And mura lang to guys compared sa island hopping.
You know that it's true.
Sarap to guys, so yung skyflex nila, yung palabas.
Oo, ay nang sarap, pero
We got questions we shouldn't ask. How would you feel? I'm taking my time, spending my life. She tell me that she'll love me too. The blues deeper than the river.
A few moments later.
Kung na-try ko, na-try ng ibang mga Kempinatics, try nyo na rin. So guys, if you want to book this activity, message nyo lang sila sa Facebook page nila na Red Wave Boracay. Okay? So legit yon. Kung ako na-try ko na, what more pa kayo? Tara, dito na tayo sa Red Wave Boracay Sunset Acoustic Cruise. See you soon! So yun guys, from 5 to 6 p.m, acoustic na sa baba. Pero while listening to the music, napakaganda ng sunset natin guys. And take note, for the past 2 days, bumabagyo dito. Maganda naman ng Red Wave, kilala naman. May mga nagtatanong pala kasi na yung Red Wave Boracay, pag nag-message sila, nagre-request sila ng down payment. Guys, legit yon, mag-down payment kayo para sure booking. Kung ilalagay ko na lang yung ayan, sige, di ba?
Maganda yung sinasabi mo eh.
So guys, may mga nagtataka pala kung bakit pag nagbo-book sila ng Red Wave Boracay, hinihingi sila ng down payment. And guys, legit yon, kailangan nila ng down payment para sure booking kayo dito kasi since nakikilala ng Red Wave, paubos ng slot nila. So I would suggest, make sure na mag-book kayo at least 2 to 3 days before para naman sure slot kayo dito at ma-experience itong Red Wave Boracay Sunset Cruise. YouTube lang kasi ako eh, so YouTube lang rin ako nakilala dito sa Boracay. YouTube kasi mas gusto nila isang upuan, mahaba. Pag Reels kasi, marami pa silang question. Kunyari, ano to, magkano to saan pupunta? At least pag YouTube, detailed. 6,000.
Yung ano mo sir, 30.
Actually, kumbaga solid sila.
Solid yung mga
Tsaka pag may sinabi ako kasi sumusunod sila.
solid nga yung mga followers.
Correct.
Anin mo yung maraming subscriber ko.
Oo nga, konti lang yung views, di ba? Tsaka ayun. So ito guys, we're facing Shangri-La, Movenpick at saka Crimson. So ito yung dadaanan nyo talaga pag naka-sunset cruise kayo. Ang ganda na ng feeling ng ganito, looking at this view. Di ba? Ganda ng sunset.
Kaya kung gusto nyo sunset picture, dito na talaga.
Oo nga eh.
Para walang tao.
Correct. Alright guys, so ayun, we had fun pero hindi pa tapos ha. May acoustic pa sa baba. Actually, pwede tumambay dito while nag-acoustic sila sa baba.
And hello!
Na-enjoy niya? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah!
See, told you.
Did you see me in a boat?
Yeah. And then guys, kung ayaw niyo naman maligo, ayan, katulad ni Shane. Ganyan lang, okay? Maybe let's have a 360 view.
Oh!
Come on.
Okay!
Sumama ka. Let's have 360 view. Come here. Ano yan, wine? Oh guys, may wine pa pala. So wait lang. So guys, during the acoustic pala or the sunset acoustic from 5 to 6 p.m. merong pika-pika, may fruits, may acoustic singer, may red wine, one shot guys. Only iced tea, only water, only popcorn, and sunbathing net. Saan pa kayo? Syempre, hindi pwedeng walang 360 view. In 3, 2, 1. Tan 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 tan. Oh yeah, I saw it. Wala na 360. Wait lang. Follow me ha.
Is it there?
Let's have a 360 view in 3,
2, 1.
Suction po. Look at ito. Let's have a 360 view. Look. So nice. Yay! Red wave.
Next experience ko sa last day ko sa vlog.
Best day. What?
Best Christmas gift ever!
Yes! Enjoy ba? Enjoy ba? Mark. Baliktad pa. Mark. Dito doon. He's my number 1 top fan. Followers. Yeah, followers. He's so kind. Oh, thank you. You want more popcorn? Okay. He's filled with Mark. Popcorn ba?
Question is from James Blunt.
Thank you.
Later that night.
Mic test. Chat. Go. Yay! Oh, you need tip. Alright guys, so I guess that's really it. Yung ating experience dito sa Red Wave Boracay Acoustic Sunset Cruise. Chill lang. Kung gusto nyo chill, yung hindi nyo na kailangan mag-island hopping, go for it. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-island hopping din, go sa morning na Red Wave Boracay din. Okay? Mababait yung mga staff guys. Okay yung mga food in fairness. Enjoy siya. Kung gusto nyo mga naghahanap ng mga chill vibes while looking at the sunset. Perfecto. So yun, with acoustic, pwede kayo makipag-jam. Katulad ni Sean. Makipag-jamming. Good job. So that's it guys. Kung may mga kakilala kayo guys na pupunta dito sa Boracay, lalo na kung first time, i-share nyo itong videos. And kung first time nyo sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs po natin, not only here sa Boracay at sa mga susunod pa, kapag domestic or international. And guys, you can also follow me sa iba ko pang social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And feel free to join us sa ating MP Natics Official broadcast channel. Guys, enjoy life. Live life to the full end. Enjoy every moment. Because you will never be at this age again. So please do what makes you happy and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys tomorrow. Good night, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Okay lang, go lang.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Yes! Happy birthday! Thank you,
Okay, everyone.
Message ba lang?
Once again,
Message
please
na ako
give
sa'yo.
him a big guitarist or
Are you lucky
singer.
po? Oh, first time niya. I mean, second time dito, but first time.
Okay, everyone, did you enjoy again?
Yes!
Okay, before we end, I just want to thank everyone. Thank you for choosing Red Wave Boracay, and thank you for saying us. But before the end days, I request everybody stand up. Everybody stand up because Red Wave usually have a good picture.
Here. Oh, let's sit down, let's sit. Dun ba?
Dito kayo lahat, so nakahanap tayo doon.
Okay.
Nakahanap tayo doon, okay? Are you ready? Ang pangit naman ang mic ko, padalpat tayo. From Korea, let's join us. Korea, let's join us. From Korea, let's join us. Korea. 1, 2, 3. Okay, everybody, put your hands up. Hands up. 1, 2, 3. Yun, okay. For the last this video, everybody shout, thank you, Red Wave Boracay. Are you ready? Game, okay. I go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Red Wave
Let's dance, everyone. Let's go, come on, everyone. Come on, DJ Lunaso. Everyone, if you really did enjoy. Everyone, maraming salamat po sa tip na binigay nyo. Walang iman ulit.